Hello, students. Today we are going to learn how to make a cake. Are you ready? Let's start. Making a cake can be easy and fun. To make a cake, we need flour, sugar, eggs, and milk. First, put flour, sugar, eggs, and milk into a big bowl. Next, mix them together. Then, pour the mixture into a cake pan. After that, put the pan in the oven. Finally, cut the cake into slices and enjoy eating your cake.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.